How's it going, everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to get a voice changer on TikTok. Now, first things first, let's head on to TikTok. Now, once you've done that, go to this plus icon right here. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record a video, of course, with my voice in it. Just record like that. And once you've done recording, click on this microphone icon right here. This is where you can edit your voice and get the voice changer. So once you've done that, just select a voice changer effect right here. It's as simple as that. So I'm just gonna click right here on Granny. Just let the video process and check if the voice changer is now in effect.
For the video, of course, with my voice in it. Just record like
And
that.
there you have it. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find it helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!